So the third one is clean in place, cleaning and sanitation. So what happen is few items which we cannot take to the dishwasher, like which are the heavy duty items, or we cannot move them. So from those items we need to clean by hands, or we can clean on that particular place. We cannot take them to the different locations. So that we use clean in place and cleaning and sanitation. So we clean those items on the same place and we just sanitize them accordingly. So in this, the mainly question asks, why is cleaning and sanitization important? First of all, many people, if they are not sure that why we do cleaning, or many people are also not sure the if we use sanitization, it means it kills the bacteria. So there are a lot of different people have different myths, but I want to make sure when you use sanitizer, it means it stop the bacteria, it does not kill the bacteria. So this is the first thing you have to keep it that in mind. It always protect you, never kills. Sanitization. So why cleaning and sanitization is important? So you have to know basic reasons. So first of all, it prevent pest infestation. So infestation means all the different kind of bacteria which always pop up in the kitchen, like mouse, cockroach, weevils, and small insects, right? So these things you have to be very careful when you work in a kitchen, because this is part of cleaning and sanitization. If you don't do that practice regularly or in a right way, then these things can happen and it can affect your food, or it can affect your business. Secondly, you can add help ensure your business passes health inspections. So regular base, you can see in Australia there is a standard, the EHO inspectors, which we call it health environmental inspectors, always pop up in your restaurants, and they always inspect your property yearly or sometimes 6 months if there are so many problems. So that is the reason they always come and they tell you this is not right, it has to be cleaned, this has to be painted, this has to be changed. So they always keep that in the practice. So you should always compliance with the food safety and standards. And it also help you to control the food poisoning among the customers, any injuries, any allergies, or any reaction to the food. These things also protects from it. If you regularly clean or sanitize your workplace or your equipment and your utensils, and how do you work or how do you handle your equipment, this is a very good practices. And it can doing this practice, there are a lot of things can be avoided, such as food poisoning, injuries, allergic food reactions, and you can also protect your customers, and you can also generate good revenue if you can follow these practices. So I hope this information clears your few doubts. If you haven't subscribed this channel, you can subscribe it now, and please like it, because many people watch it and just go away. Just please, it's just you have to click it and like it, and just you can also leave your feedback. How did you feel how did you feel about this video? And I will get back to you with a new video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.